How to copy people's Discord ID. First of all, head over to the application Discord and make sure you are logged into your account. Now moving to the inbox or the chat of the person that you want to copy the Discord ID. So let's say I want to copy the Discord ID of this person. Tap on the profile of the person and then tap on this three dot right here. Here you can see that there is no any option where you can copy the ID of this person. In order to have that option, first of all go back and head over to your profile at the bottom right corner and then scroll down until you see the option of advanced and then head over to it. It will land you on this interface. Right here all you gotta do is enable this developer option. Once this feature is enabled, once again go back to the profile of that person. Tap on their profile. Tap on this three dot once again. So now here you can see the option of copy user ID. Just tap on it. So there you go, the Discord ID of this person has been copied successfully. Now you can simply just go ahead and paste the username anywhere you want. This is the Discord ID of that person. So that's it, and this is simply how you can copy the Discord ID. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.